Hola! We are going to be talking about los artículos definidos, good old definite articles. Quick preview. And we're back. Let's get to work. So when we talk about los artículos definidos, we have four of them here. El, la, los, las. So when we want to talk about just one thing, and that may typically end in an O, we say el libro, la casa. Over plural, los libros and las casas. So not always, but it generally matches. El matches with o, la matches with a, los matches with os, and las matches with as. But there are some instances that don't quite follow this format. We have here some words which again are cognates, en español cognados, ¿no? So el estudiante, la estudiante. Notice it's the same ending here, but what we change is the el and the la. So el estudiante, la estudiante. El paciente, la paciente. El intérprete, la intérprete. And yes, I did put a superhero emoji here because intérpretes really are superheroes in the medical profession, los superhéroes. So el intérprete, la intérprete. So here we come up to los and las. So we have los estudiantes, las estudiantes. Notice, unlike los libros and las casas, los does not match here with estudiantes. It's the same, las estudiantes, but we still need to make sure that S matches. Okay. Now with los also, notice we have two males here for los, but we also have mixed female and male. So that still gives us los. Las estudiantes, however, las is only for a group of females. So a quick note, parentheses here for la clase or las clases. Okay, that's la. We have estudiante, paciente, intérprete over on this side here. Even though it ends with an e, we can change those with el and la. Here for clase, also la noche for nighttime, las noches here for plural. So there are some others here some other endings that we can take a look at. Nación. Oh, if a word ends in ción, that is going to be la. So la nación, and here we have las naciones. Okay. Dad, if it ends in dad, is going to be la. For example, la libertad, la universidad, la enfermedad, illness. So that goes into dades. You see again, naciones, dades, right? Las libertades, different liberties or freedoms we have. Las universidades, las enfermedades. So las universidades aquí en Memphis, we have University of Memphis, Baptist, Christian Brothers, Rhodes, etc. So tenemos otras universidades. Southwest, por ejemplo, Ole Miss, DeSoto, diferentes ejemplos de las universidades. Las enfermedades, illnesses. All right. Now, ma. If it ends in ma, it's going to begin in el here. So el problema, el trauma, los problemas, los traumas. Again, I'm super excited for los artículos definidos.